Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about the indices and gold. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you the Nasdaq monthly chart, where it is right here. All right, so this was the monthly chart, and I was tracking it, the Elliott Wave. This is wave 3, wave 4, and then we finished wave 5 a little while ago. And from there on, it started to drop. So we came down. If you pull the fib from here to here, we are exactly at 50%, and bouncing from there and this level here, 167, 864. So look at the weekly chart. This is how it is. That's the level here, 167, 64, and you can see this current candle bouncing from there, bullish candle. So usually from 50%, if you bounce from 50%, then we usually go back to 23%, right? So is there a chance? Yes, but there's something in the air right now. Today is 8, and maybe by the end of the day, Trump said that if China do not remove the tariff that they put on the U.S., Trump is going to raise the tariff to 50% for China. So that if that happens, then we're gonna drop again, right? And then definitely we will go back down to bypassing the 50 and then go to 61% maybe, right? But if not, and if something else happens, then 50 will hold, and then we're gonna go back to 23% line. So this is what it is. If then kind of thing. Let's see what happens, right? And even the daily chart, this is what it's a big move, and this could be like wave 1 or the drop from the top, and then we can easily go back to 61% maybe for wave 2 or B, right? And then drop maybe later on. So let's see what happens. This is what Nasdaq is doing. S&P 500 monthly chart is again same thing. Wave 3, 4, 5, big wave 3 here, and small wave 4 and wave 5 ended. This is the TL that it came down and bounced from the TL and this high, right? So it's a very nice setup to bounce from, and it did. And we went up there, and right now we are here again. If you look at the weekly chart, this is how it is. So it is also pull the fib from bottom to top here. It's bouncing for 50 and the TL. So this one also go back to 23% line. If it's gonna follow Nasdaq, or Nasdaq is gonna follow this one, right? So if we go up, we have a chance to go to 23% line. So this one is gonna be probably one of these levels here. And daily chart of this, you can see this is also a big move to the downside, and then 61% is coming to into this area. So maybe these are, this high, this low, and this low. We can go back there, right? But if not, if like I said, that if Monday, if China doesn't do anything and Trump raised the tariff, then boom, boom, it's gonna drop to 61%, maybe here, or even lower to this low here, this high or this low. This high is very close to the 61%. So this is what I'm looking at in S&P and the daily chart I just showed you. Right? This is how it is. DAX, quickly, I'll show you the weekly chart. It is also bouncing. It bounced already from this TL and above this area right now. So if we continue bouncing, then you can just drop the fib here, and then maybe we can go back to 61%, 50 to 61, before continue dropping again, right? So these are a few charts that I thought maybe good for you guys as my analysis. And then let's go take a look at gold, what gold is doing and what we can expect. So last chart I made gold, remember that I said it's probably going to drop in wave 4. And wave 4 is very complex and typical wave to trade. And that's what we're probably going to see now. This is my weekly chart count, right? And you can see that after finishing this wave 3 and ABC wave 4, wave 5 started. Now this is wave 5. It's probably going to end here, and then this will end the big wave 5 for on a monthly chart, which is like this. This is black count 1, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This blue count will end this black count. So here, this black count or the blue count is wave 1, 2, and then big extended wave 3, right? Which were like never ending, right? Just keep going and going and going. Right. So finally, I think that we have reached to the top and start to drop, and we're probably going to need a wave 4 equal to or a little bit bigger than wave 2. So this is wave 2. So imagine that, we might be getting something like this, maybe to the down here, or maybe just go sideways, right? So we nicely drop, and if you look at the daily chart, and then this is the drop here, nice and clean, right? So this is my wave count. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This ended the up move, and this is a 4-hour chart. This same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Elliott wave count of this small move from here to here only, right? So from there on, we started to drop. So like I said, this could be on a 4-hour chart. You can see that it is nicely, it came all the way down to this, bouncing from this TL. If you pull the fib, we can go back to into this area, maybe here, this high of this one, right, as a retracement. So we are already here. Let's see what happens. So if we can stay above these, this high and this low, right, then it will maybe able to go to the upside here to 50% or 60%, right? So I will be looking for long if I get a chance in my entry chart, right? Maybe this one, let's say, I show you that probably already. No, it's not bullish just yet. So if it's going to go to the upside, then it will go up above this wave and then give me entries like this one. These are short entries. I need long entries here, right? So I'll wait for that and then see what happens. If I could, it should be already. Forget it. I don't want to say it right now. Let's see this one. Oh well, I gotta refresh the chart, so forget it. So yeah, so just pay attention to the 4-hour chart, and then whatever the system you use to make the entry, do it, and I'll use mine. So let's see what happens. Right. So this is basically the key chart is the weekly chart. All right. So we gotta have wave 4 here. This is wave 2, right? To the downside a little bit, right? But then wave 4 can be sideways here, small wave 4, and then small wave 5 will end this whole drama. The black 5, the blue 5, and the thick black 5 will end the move to the upside. And after that, maybe the stock market will stabilize a little bit, and then people will go back to the stock market and then leave gold and start selling gold. So let's see what happens. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to cover these and not forex pairs. I already made the video and for my subscribers, and I've sent it out to them already. So there's no need to discuss that. So just wanted to. So a lot of requests were coming for gold analysis. So I said, okay, let me just do gold and indices for everybody. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time so you can take advantage of these setups. All right. Bye for now and talk to you guys later.